Copy that. Do you want to relay the information that some people out near the roadway heard screaming in the woods? Just to chivvy them along a bit, maybe?
Hi, I'm Paul Renza. I'm helping out with the grade 12 OE crisis simulation. Today I have to act like I am injured, and then they have to figure out a way to help me and get me to safety and then just resolve the entire situation.
The campsite kind of all collapsed and I went hobbling off for help, and a tree fell, and now I have a broken tibia and fibula.
So in the morning we spent some time doing some first aid skills, very basic brush up of wilderness first aid skills. And then this afternoon we've been out doing a crisis simulation where 5 people were in the forest when trees came down during a camp out. They're all spread out throughout the forest, and our rescuers have come in to perform wilderness first aid and extricate as many of them as they can to get to a base camp and then fly out from here.
Superficially, it's about first aid, patient assessment, basic skills. It's really about communication. So the students assess the patient, provide an intervention, gather the rest of the information and relay it back to their incident command structure that will then make decisions about extricating people in a specific order based on how serious their injuries are. They can only do that if they've gotten good information from the people that have done the assessment, all of which provides lots of material for us to talk about in terms of developing leadership, communication skills, and having fun in the woods.